Hey guys, this is called the 3-sex tent, and that's spelt S-E-C-S. It's not to be confused with the free sex tent. Anyway, let's take a look at this thing. I'm gonna see how fast it pops up. I haven't read any instructions and I don't plan to. Nice little packaging here. That's a nice little sack for it. Got some nice snaps. Not just Velcro crap. I can hear tent pegs. There's, I guess that's a warranty card. What we got here, we got some pegs, and inside this case is the tent. For now, a couple tie down straps right there holding it together. And I'm just gonna peel this thing out. I'm just spreading this thing out. Pretty cool. And allegedly, I just popped this up. So there's no, I don't know if any of you camp a lot, but a lot of times those poles can be a pain in the butt. Just messing with them, you know, feeding them through these slots. So this is already done for you. So that's kind of cool. So that took maybe 5 seconds, but I think if I did this a few more times, it would be a free sex tent. All right, here are the pegs they give you. Kind of standard stuff right there. That's my Flying Fox council tool hatchet, throwing hatchet. And I do whip this thing around a lot. Thing is, if you hit the target with the bottom of the handle, it jams that head on a little deep, so I'm going to fix that one day. So here are the feet that the pegs will go through. You can check that out. It's got the poles that usually you have to thread these through the tent. This one's kind of automatic. It's got these nice hinges here, heavy duty, or you know, they're not chintz, they're not cheese. And there's the logo, Reactive Outdoor. And this is the fly, so this is already built in, it's ready to go, which is kind of cool. I haven't hammered this thing down yet because I'm not camping here. I'll show you where I'm camping in a second. I'm just going to get a good look at this thing. There's the door, and of course there's one on each side, which is pretty sweet. And that's to tie the door open. And it's got nice zips, and it's got a flap over the zip, so you're not pulling in the water, which is nice. And it's also got that same flap all the way around. So a good deal. And we're just coming around this way. There's the debris. And yeah, I'm liking this thing. It looks pretty cool. One piece, I think it's going on the top, I'll let you know here in a second, is that guy. I think that fits right on the top there. Yeah, so here's that little fly, that top cap fly there, and that's how it's hooking up. So I'm going to take you guys to a better spot. I just wanted to kind of show you this, but it's pretty cool. It's all hinged, and these hinges look pretty stout, so I don't think it's going to screw up. I could have beer on the one side and me on the other. And what's cool about this tent, again guys, it's not pegged down yet. I'm going camping somewhere else. This is how you take it down. You just lift it up. You just grab the top here, the 2 bars, and these are hinged. You just lift it up and it folds up. That's it, done deal. So when it's like it was when I opened it, you just pull these guys out a bit. You see how they just come out? And then it folds up, and that's it. And then you bring it all together, wrap it up. So you can see how fast that thing's set up. It's just amazing. It is a 3-second tent. But I'm dual purposing this PBR. This guy works awesome for cracking in tent pegs. So you know, if you're gonna go camp and bring some beer. All right, guys, I've got the just got to put the fly in this thing. It's ready to go as far as tent setup is concerned. And again, just hook these guys into those little D-rings, and it's ready to roll. So if you are looking for something that sets up quick, this is the deal for sure. I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it seems quality-wise, it seems fine. I have no issues with it. It does what they say it's going to do. And having the 2 doors is a bonus for sure. So the bears can come in this way and I can go out that way. I forgot to mention that this guy has 2 screens on both doors, or a screen on both doors. So that's it there. There's those tie downs to roll the screen into. So lots of ventilation, and again, having 2 doors, lots of ventilation, awesome. Built-in fly, it's all good. I'll give you guys a long-term update after this summer and fall season. I'm gonna take this, I think, hunting and try it out and see how it holds up. But so far, I'm loving the speed this thing goes up. Very cool. So the next plan is here, I just got to pick up some firewood. I got an awesome fire pit right there, and it's ready to go, other than needing wood. But there's lots of deadfall here that I can use, so that's pretty cool. And I got the beers chilling.